With Vertex BD, you can easily export material lists to a spreadsheet using Excel Lists tool. All data is collected from a source XML file using common XPath query language. You can edit your own Excel reports using commonly used methods. This technique isn't tied to Excel only, but it works in other spreadsheets which support XML files. With Excel Report tool, you can create different reports of the project, like area information or element-specific profile lists. Excel Lists tool is located in the Output tab. You can select the template from the libraries, and when you press OK, BD produces a report. Excel Report tool automatically contains collecting materials. Materials are collected only if the project has been modified since the last material collection. This means that if you create multiple reports, materials are collected only for the first report. You can edit Excel reports to fit your needs. You can do this with Excel Lists tool in the System tab. The easiest way to create a new report template is to copy an existing template to your own library and edit the copied template. You can create an Excel report using your own templates in the same way as with the default templates. You can edit the template by selecting Excel Lists and Open. You can find all the information needed for the report from the template, for example, which types of materials to collect and how to format the list. You can use Excel's normal formatting tools to make the report look just as you like. In the report, there can be data from the project database, multiple tabs, and listings. You can update an existing report after you have edited the template by selecting the report from the project document browser and selecting Update and Open. You can find more detailed instructions from the Resource Center.